This is my key holder, version 1 of my design. It all started with a problem. The problem of having 6 keys and a few keychains where they would always get tangled up in my pocket. And the worst part was, when I had to pee after an hour commute from work, I had to dance and untangle the keys at the same time. Man, the struggle was real. It was time for a change. So I decided to be the solution to my problem. With my engineering background, it was time to do some product designing. Typically, the first thing in a design process is to draw a rough sketch of the idea. My design inspiration came from the Swiss Army knife, but instead of knives, it's keys. The only thing is that I'm not a good sketch artist, so I'm just gonna skip that step and head straight to the computer. I basically start my design process in my go-to-CAD software, and from there I just go with the flow. After cooking up an initial design that seems possible, it's time to prototype. I take my design from the computer to my 3D printer and cross my fingers that my design works the first time around. But most times it's just wishful thinking, but a brother can only hope. I ended up doing about 3 iterations before coming to a final design that works very well. The first design was cool, but had too many weak points that it broke. Plus, I decided afterwards to not use the ring to hold the keys and keep it all 3D printed parts. The second design, I made a pin to hold the keys in the holder, and I also made a loop about 5 millimeters in height from the bottom at the back so I can add other keychains that I have. This design also broke when I was climbing the stairs and my keys fell out my pocket. The next time around, I made the loop the whole height of the key holder, plus I capped the front end to increase stability. To ensure this design did not break when dropped, I did my own drop test a couple of times, and so far everything looked promising. Everything stayed intact from the drop test, so for now this will be my final design.